Hey buddy, Bill Murphy coming to you from beautiful town beach in Narragansett. Out for a morning run before we get some work to do this weekend. It's busy springtime weekend. But I want to talk to you about something that we did this past week. We sponsored an open house for an agent who had a flash showing. It was pretty cool. First showing, it was pretty much a starter home, under 200,000 out in Dudley. And what was interesting about this was there was 20 parties that walked in there, and most of them accompanied by their agents. On the weekends during the open house, agents don't go with their buyers because they're usually doing their own open houses. So it was pretty cool to see that kind of momentum and buzz. And sure enough, out of those 20 parties that showed up, there was 7 offers, and it was actually an accepted offer with cash. Pretty cool. But I thought that was an awesome concept, a flash open house, first showing. And in the past, we've seen, we've sponsored some luxury homes, wine and cheese, Twilight, but it was just something to think about, and I thought it would yield some awesome results. And sure enough, one day on the market, and 20 people walked through, 7 offers. Not a bad thing to do for your sellers and even your buyers if you want to accompany them to those kind of open houses. Something to think about. We're out there sponsoring these open houses. We'll be there to help you reel in some of those buyers and pre-approvals. And be sure to give us a call. Bill Murphy team is here for you.